Hello, this is Max from DIVI websites, and today I want to show you how to change your homepage default page in WordPress. So, if you didn't subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and let's go. Okay, so here I have the WordPress page with default look, and I have two pages like home page and about page. And currently my homepage, check the URL, it shows the recent posts. By default, WordPress shows recent posts in WordPress, right? And if I want to show some specific page like my homepage or my about page or my some other page, I need to change some settings inside WordPress. Okay, and don't forget to check my description area. There is a lot of interesting links which are really useful for you, and you can support me by donation. Okay, so to change these links settings, we need to go to WordPress dashboard, click settings, and go to reading. There is top area, your homepage display settings. Okay, so currently it shows latest posts, but we should change it to static post, static page. Click it and we select our setting for homepage. So click this drop down and select the page you want to show as homepage. So I will select home, and in the same place you can select your default blog page for posts. Okay, we will not do it in this video. Click Save Changes and let's go to WordPress. Check the URL, it's still same, we refresh it and it shows homepage. Let's go and change it to About page. Click Save and we see that About page is now our home page. So when user go to our website, he will see our domain and not slash about. Okay, he will see the about as default. Hope this video was helpful for you. If not, and if you have some issues, you can contact me by comments under this video or by email. You can find it in the description under this video, and I will help you to solve your issues with website. Doesn't matter which. So don't forget to subscribe, click like, and have a nice day.